guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing another favorites video, and I haven't actually done one of these. I think the last one I did was like 3 months ago. So obviously I'm going to have some new products that I've been really liking lately. I'm going to be honest, I haven't been super into buying makeup lately. Like, it hasn't been my thing. Like, do you guys ever go through those spurts where you're like super into buying makeup and like trying new things, and then other times you're just not that into it? So I wouldn't necessarily say that I've been in one of those moods where I'm just like on a buying spree of makeup. It just hasn't been my thing. Like, I've even kind of skipped the makeup aisle, and I don't know, it just hasn't been my overall focus in my life lately. But there is definitely some products that I have been using a ton lately that I don't think I've shared with you guys yet, so I'm going to share them with you right now. The first product, actually, I'm gonna go by brand. Could I go by brand? I love Pixie. Pixie's one of my favorite brands. They actually send me a lot of products to try out, and some of products I love, some of them are just like so-so, but these products have really stuck out to me. So the first two products are actually lip products, and you guys know that I was super into the NYX Lip Lingerie in Bedtime Flirt. I still love that color. It's one of my favorite colors. But these two colors here have been my go-to every single day lip colors. They're perfect for literally any makeup look. You could put a gloss over them to make them glossy, or you could keep them matte, but they're just such a perfect color for my skin tone. And the first one is Matte Beige, and then the other one is Pastel Petal. Now, Pastel Petal is a little bit pinker than the Matte Beige, but honestly, they're pretty much like the same color. One is just slightly pinker. So that one there is Matte Beige, and that one is Pastel Petal. But for the most part, when you have them on your lips, they look very, very similar. And I literally have these in my everyday makeup drawer. I pull for these almost every single day unless I want to do like a bold lip. But lately, since it's summer, I feel like bold, darker lips just don't really go. Like, I always put them on and I just feel like it's too much for summer. So I just go with these ones almost every single day. I love them so much. I love the formula. The formula is very like matte but not drying, which I appreciate. I don't like liquid lipsticks, I've said this a million times, that are drying and really goopy and thick. These ones are not goopy and thick because I feel like they just lay on your lips a little bit thinner, if you know what I mean. I don't know. So I love these colors. Pixie by Petra, Amazing My Lips But Better, just like nude basic simple colors for like any makeup look that you're trying to do. Love them so much. And another product that I've been really loving by Pixie as well, this has kind of been one of my go-to highlighters. I actually have two highlighters in this video. This is the Pixie Glowy Gossamer Duo in Subtle Sunrise, and it looks like this. And this is like a pinker highlight. So it's kind of more of like a pinker gold, and I think the reason why I like this right now is because I do have a little bit more of a tan because it is summer, and I feel like golds and like pinky golds and rose golds look so beautiful with a tan because it can really, really bring out like those golds in your tan. So if you have darker skin naturally, or you just have tanner skin naturally, go for like the goldy, rose goldy colors, and it just looks so beautiful. And so I think that's why I've been liking this. And I just take both the colors, actually. I just take a little bit of each. I like mix them together, and then I just apply it to my cheekbones. I'm actually wearing it today, and look at that. Look at that glow. That's beautiful. And it's super pigmented. It's really, really pretty. It's such a perfect color. Oh, I love this so much. I think it is so, so, so pretty. And with that said, I'm going to talk about this brush. This is my go-to highlighter brush right now, and this is the EcoTools Controlled Setting Brush. And I think what this is kind of made for is to like set under your eyes with like a powder or whatnot, but I love this for highlight because it's the perfect size. It's like just small enough to fit right on your cheekbone like this. You can kind of blend it out by going like this. I just love brushes like this for highlight because they just fit perfectly right there on your cheekbone. And this is what I've been using for my highlight almost every single day. It works perfectly. So I also have one more highlighter, like I said. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter in Pearl. And this one is actually not golden, but I do really like it because it's extremely pigmented. So this is just like a basic pearl highlighter. It's almost cool toned, which I am very picky about my cool toned highlighters because if they're too like cool toned, I feel like it can look really odd on the skin because skin naturally has like warmer tones to it. So if you get too cool toned with highlighters, I feel like it can kind of look a little bit weird. But this one has a little tiny bit of pink, but it's still very cool toned. So that is the color right there, if you guys can see it. It is Very, very, very pigmented. So it looks really white in the container, but it does have like that kind of pinky, pearly duochrome to it that is so beautiful. And I think it's really rare, at least for me, this is my opinion, I don't know. I think it's rare to find pigmented highlighters. Like my one highlighter that I'm obsessed with, you guys know this, is the Ofra Nikkie Tutorials highlighter in Glow Goals. It is so intense. Like I have yet to find a highlighter as intense as that one, so I'm very, very picky about how pigmented highlighters are. And sometimes I feel like in the drugstore especially, there's a lot of highlighters that just don't do it for me as far as pigmentation goes. And this one, and then also this Pixie one here, both of them are extremely pigmented and they just have such good color payoff. And yeah, this one is for my cool toned days and this one is for like my warm toned days. So this Bare Minerals palette in Latte. And can we just talk about this packaging? Look at this. Look at this packaging. Isn't that beautiful? It's like a marble. So these are the colors right here. And like I said, in the summer, I'm really into like warm tones just because of the sun. And I just feel like it really brings out your tan. And I just have been loving these colors so much. This is amazing. It's just like a matte, mid-toned, like warm brown for your crease. This is a great color to darken up, you know, like the outer corner and the crease area. And then you have all of these colors to pick from for like your lid shade, if you want to add a little bit of gold or a little bit of like a dark brown. I just love the color selection. It's so good for just like a basic palette. If you're looking for something that just has good basic colors that you could use every single day, it's a great travel palette. I just love these colors. They're very, very creamy, very pigmented. They show up amazing on the eyes. It's just so good. I love it so, so, so much. So if I'm looking for like warm toned colors, you know, I've been into the It's Judy Time palette by Pixie forever. That's like one of my favorite palettes, I think, of all time. She did such a good job putting that together, but I've kind of stopped using that and kind of gone for this because I just think that this is such a beautiful palette. So as far as like skincare and things like that, I've been really into the Yes 2 products, mostly because I feel like skincare is a little bit more difficult to find in cruelty-free. I feel like makeup is a lot easier to find cruelty-free than like skincare and sometimes even hair care. And so I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna buy a bunch of Yes 2 products and give them a try and see how I like them. And so I bought the Yes 2 Carats SPF 15 moisturizer because it is summer and it's so important to wear SPF on your skin during the summer and the spring and the warmer months because trust me, as somebody that's 33 now, I'm 33, what the heck? Like time goes by so fast, but as somebody who's 33 now, I have seen the aging process. Like I know that it happens. Like you think it's not gonna happen to you, but it happens, trust me. And so you always wanna wear SPF. So I decided to get this, it has SPF 15. I wish it was a little bit higher in the SPF, but I do really, really like this and I just apply it with like my beauty blender and I just put it under my makeup and it just works amazing and it has great moisture qualities to it and I really, really like it. And then I've also been using the Yes 2 Blueberries Recharging Body Wash. This is what I've been using. You guys saw it in my getting ready after a workout video. This has been my go-to. I will definitely buy this again. It smells really good. It is cruelty-free. You get a ton of product. And I just really, 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 really like this because I will admit, as somebody that is cruelty-free, it is not that easy to find a cruelty-free body wash. Like I would go to the store and it'd be like, there's like Dove and there's like Suave. Is it Suave? I feel like those are like the two main brands and then there's like Herbal Essence body washes, but like cruelty-free body washes are kind of hard to come across. I don't know if Burt's Bees makes them, I don't know. But finally I found one that I actually like the smell of and it works amazing and yes. And it's 95% natural. So, and then 2 more products. The next one is this brush by EcoTools, but this reminds me of a brush that I talked about in a video so long ago, and I can't remember what the brush was called. For the life of me, I cannot remember. But this is like a dupe to that brush, and it is this little sucker right here. But it's this tiny little brush, and it has the brush bristles, like the little, like, boar bristle brush bristles, and then it also has the plastic bristles. So you're getting both bristles. So it makes it super easy to brush your hair with. It gets tangles out really well. And the other thing I like about this is it's easy to like do a little bit of back combing where you want it. Like usually I do some back combing like right in this area of my hair and then also right in this area of my hair just to give me a little bit of fullness right here. And this is the perfect size and because it has the boar bristle brush bristles in it, it works really, really well, and then I can just kind of like brush over it. It's just the perfect like styling tool, you know what I mean? And I also love to use this on my girls because it does have the boar bristles in it. I can really like flatten out their hair, and I can put like, you know, hairspray in it, and then I can flatten it out really well and get like a really nice tight look. And it's small and it's portable, and it's just, I love this brush. I kind of want to get more so I can have one in my room and then also have one in my kids' room because it's just that handy. Like I'm telling you, perfect brush and amazing for travel as well. And then also, last but not least, is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extensions Mascara. Now you guys saw this in my last video that I uploaded. It was the review to this mascara. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. I talk about this product in like tons of detail if you are curious about it. But basically, this is a extension mascara. So you're gonna get longer lashes. It's almost as if you're putting like, it's kind of like a fiber mascara without the extra step of applying the fibers first and then applying the mascara over the top, which I hate that about lash extension mascaras. This one doesn't have that extra step, which I love, and it really helps you get longer lashes. So I think that this is an amazing product. Go check out that video because it's kind of been my thing lately. I've been using this ever since, and I just think that this is really good. I think that it's a great product for those of you who want a little bit of length to your lashes, and it's 25 bucks, and you can get it on thrivecosmetics.com. And I think that it's a great product for length, if that's what you're looking for lashes. So that is it, you guys, for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys found some maybe new products that you haven't tried before. These are kind of like my go-to, the ones that I've been using on a consistent basis since my last favorites video. So let me know if this was helpful or if you guys are gonna buy any of these products. And I think that's it, guys. So I will talk to you in my next video, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.